Caillou TV. Caillou TV.
Okay, what are we gonna be doing today? Creative. The unboxing, right? Okay, you want to show it off quickly? Show me the box a little bit. Yeah. So guys, we're gonna be leaving all the descriptions on screen for you to read, okay? Let's get down to business. Let's do it. What do we have in there? All right. How many doors we got there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
7 with the one that you got in your hand, right? If I'm correct. Next. All right, let's move on to show us what else is in there. Crayons.
Yes.
All right, that's fantastic. Okay, put it down. What is that? More crayons? Okay. What are these? Okay, some decoratives. Okay. All right, let's keep moving. All right. So what are these? What do you call them? What are they called? Okay.
Comic book.
All right, so you're gonna have a lot of fun with it with your brother, yeah? Okay. Let's see what else is in there. Nothing else?
Yes.
So do you like them?
Yes.
So what are you gonna be doing with them?
Playing with them.
Ooh, fantastic. So is there a thumbs up or what? Thumbs up. Okay.